this video, I'm going to show you how to put two videos in one screen on Capcut. What I mean by this is you can have two videos play at the exact same time, and it's real easy to do. So what you want to do is go to your Capcut and just start a new project. So I'm just going to start new project, and I'm going to pick a video here. Let's do this one, and I'm just going to add it. So what this is going to do is going to load up the normal stuff here, but what you want to do here is scroll over at the bottom where it says aspect ratio. Now let's say we're doing something for maybe a YouTube video. So what that's going to do is it's going to change the aspect ratio of what you're going to export. And what you can do is really go ahead and really pick and choose what this video is going to do as far as, you know, placing it where you want it to be. And it's really easy to just make it the way you want to make it. So what we can do is, after you're happy with it, go ahead and hit the check mark at the bottom right corner. And then to kind of do it once more, sorry, this is okay. So to add something else on top of it, so you have a blank space there, what we can do here is go ahead and go over to the menu at the very bottom and just click overlay. What that's going to do is it will allow us to add something on top of it. So go ahead and click add overlay, and I'll just pick another video here. I'll hit add, and then from that point you can go ahead and do the same thing that you did with your other video first, and go ahead and put it in a certain spot. So then we can hit play.
Believe in magic, the kind that's not just in spells.
And both videos are going to play, and now they're playing at the same time, and you can really manipulate and customize what you want. So the two things you need are the aspect ratio and the overlays, and you can go back and change these. You can change the aspect ratio to any size that you want, depending on what you're making it for, and it's that simple. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.